I was just doing a live trading session and we went from $101,000 to $105 on the real account. And you're about to see exactly how I did that. I have cut out everything except for what you need to see and what you need to know. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to find the golden setup and I'm going to show you just how simple this is to make a profit. We are actually going to be doing a live class May 6th, that's next Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and there will be a recording available, and it's interactive one strategy group training. So you're going to learn to master the golden setup and the hustle from beginner to advanced with the strategy setup and rules, setup identification, what to avoid, and everything you need to know to win. All right, I'll post everything down in the comments, but it's pretty simple. It will also be down in the description. CCI is back up in the channel, and whether it is reversing, you need to kind of just get to know the behavior of the candles. As you can see, the moving average is actually inside of the candles, and this is great because this shows you that it's going to go down. So we're not looking for anything that is above the 55. That's this white one right here. We're not looking for anything above the 55. So you can see that we are this is actually the golden setup right here, and I am late on it, so I think I might, oh well, no, we actually got it. So let's go check this out. Let's get this. All right, this looks nice right here. Why? Because we're below with the CCI, we're below with the Williams, and now we're hitting a bit of resistance. Let's see where this is going. Now I did double trade on this because I knew that it was going to go down and then pop right back up. Oh, see, we're coming down still. Now I think this is going to go back up. Oh no, we got it. All right. So you always want to make sure that you are taking the proper, proper preparation prevents poor performance. So let's see what we got there. All right, we're looking good. We started at 101,882. We're currently at 105,862. All right, I don't want you to make as many trades as I just did. I want you to be very selective. Thing is I do this all day. All right, so I hope you are starting to understand this process, but again, if you want to join the live class, it is limited interactive one strategy group training. Use the links down in the description, or just jump into Telegram and join my group. It's free. Why wouldn't you? All right. So I think that is it for this evening. I will see you later. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe if you haven't done so.